It's no secret that one of the things I love about Germany is the windows. Not only can you tilt them in to get some fresh air into the room, but you can also fully open them so that you can actually clean the outside of the window from inside, as well as your blinds, because the blinds are on the outside here in Germany. I really love these windows. The problem I have with them is for a country with no central air, for a country with no AC, who relies on luften, or opening your window for fresh air, there's a really weird thing that's missing that's inside of every American home. And that's a screen. In the US, the screens have a separate track on the outside of the window. They slot right in, they're built into a frame. Here in Germany, that's not the case. I have never seen one. What we do end up with, though, is this. They are little Fliegengitter, or little fly nets, little bug nets. And you have to install them yourself. And they're not installed with a frame, they're installed with this two-sided tape, or this two-sided Velcro. It's not the worst thing in the world, especially when everybody's renting. You don't want to make a permanent addition to your homeowner's, to the owner's house. So these are not bad. The problem is they are a pain to install. The windows are never just right. And if you are renting, people leave them behind, or the remnants of them, and you have to clean up after them. Personally, I uninstall all of mine when I leave my apartments, or in this case, my student housing. So today, we're going to install our very own, but first we do need to make sure that everything is clean, because it needs a clean surface for the adhesive, for the two-sided tape to actually stick. And we can double check where we installed it before, because we installed this window very early on, but unfortunately this window doesn't tilt. For some reason this side doesn't tilt, only this side does. Just to confirm how we installed it last time. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the two-sided tape on the very inner track of this thing, and that will give us the exact spot that we need in order to have ourselves a screen on here so we can open it inwards. It's a very easy process. All you need to do is grab your Velcro, measure it out. Once you have that, you can grab a pair of scissors, or when I first came, I used my nail clippers to clip it. And now we have our strip. We should probably grab ourselves a paper towel real fast, because our towel is wet. Just to make sure everything is nice and clean. Now they can peel off the adhesive backing. Probably don't cut your nails before you do this. So there we go. We have the adhesive backing coming off. And now we can go all the way up to the top and just slowly remove the taping backing as we apply it. Now I'm doing this because it's been in the 35, 40 range. Not quite 40, it's been about 38 over here in my part of Germany. And we want some fresh air at night still, without having the whole window open. But I also don't like having spiders and other bugs come into my room at night when I'm sleeping. So once we have that installed, don't just finish that off like that. You need to find something hard. For instance, my salt and pepper shaker. And you need to apply a lot of pressure onto these things to really make sure that adhesive gets down onto there where it belongs. Don't use too much force because you don't want to bend them, but there we go, and we'll trim the bottom. Trickier because if you see here, it's on the edges of this window, but down here, we can't put it here because that's where the window goes in at. So we actually have to put it down in the crevasse down here, all the way along, and
Alright, so apparently my microphone decided to die at this point in time. So what you need to do at this point is make sure you line up at least one corner of this net at first. You want to make sure that it is as straight as possible as you go down, just so you don't end up with any creases going across your window. But it's also important to fold over just a little bit on the edges because you want some extra room just in case something happens or you need to make some adjustments later, and also just to give it more room to attach to the strips of Velcro. As you finish this off, you want to trim this up carefully. An X-Acto blade or some type of razor blade is the best method. But if you don't have that, you can use literally anything. Here in this kit, I'm using a small pair of scissors from my no clipper pack, which has come in handy quite often. So as you trim through here, you want to make sure that you're leaving enough extra room so that later on you can make adjustments or possibly even repairs later down the line.
and then now if we look, you can see maybe that it is very, very rough cut. The first installation I did was a lot better because I actually had a razor blade at the time. This one doesn't. You can see that it is really rough cut, especially on the bottom. But again, the bottom doesn't matter because we're just going to tuck it in there. And it doesn't need to be perfect because this is also providing some extra spots for it to actually clamp down, hold it down onto the background. Now, if we close the window, you can see that we have a screen, and now we can tilt the window open when we want to, and then we can have fresh air in here, but no bugs. So yeah, for those of you who stayed and watched, thank you. I have a few more videos coming here soon of this style. Keep in mind, my main content on this channel is walking tour videos. So I am doing videos of me walking through towns and just enjoying the vibe and essence of Germany and some other European towns when I get out of the country. But this is not the main content. This is a supplementary content. Appreciate y'all. Have a good day. Bye.